Wow, so many times I've seen people go fishing, but I want to experience it because I've seen other people, friends of mine, go fish and catch fish, but I want to do it. But I'm just so thankful God gave me the opportunity to come here today, and I caught my first fish before I saw, a fish swimming, and I threw my line out there where I saw movement, and I was trying to jerk the whacking worm a little bit, and really it worked. I was so amazed, but I was trying to be brave and pull it in, and got it. It was amazing. Yeah. I hope Carla and Andreen are not too jealous of me this time, because last time they came to Iowa and fished, they didn't catch one.
All right, put it back. Catch and release.
Bye-bye, sweetie.
So you got a fish or weed?
Oh, looks like a fish.
Yeah. Yep. Grab it, Kale. See. Yes, lift it up.
Yeah! Its teeth are sharp. This one's been feeding.
Don't drop it.
He's skinny. Right here.
Okay, you hold this.
What a beautiful fish.
Yeah!
Such a big lens.